Connector reliability is not defined by design alone, but by how consistently it performs under real operating conditions. At GreenCon, this is achieved through a systematic approach combining laboratory testing and data-driven analysis. The purpose of laboratory testing is not simply to pass or fail, but to quantify how key performance parameters evolve over time. First, the stability of electrical performance. Through tests such as contact resistance, insulation resistance, and dielectric withstand voltage, it ensures stable and continuous signal transmission under varying load conditions. Second, mechanical reliability. Tests including insertion and withdrawal force, as well as mechanical life, are conducted to verify whether the locking structure, terminal retention, and overall connection remain stable under dynamic loads. At the same time, environmental factors must also be considered. Through temperature and humidity cycling, salt spray, and other tests, it evaluates material expansion and contraction, stress variations, and resistance to corrosion. The value of testing goes beyond the results. Based on data analysis of resistance variation, structural response, and failure modes, GreenCon continuously refines terminal design, plating, and material selection. In production, this data becomes the basis for consistency control. This ensures stable performance across batches, reducing failure rates and improving long-term reliability. Through laboratory testing and closed-loop data analysis, GreenCon turns performance targets into measurable, verifiable, and repeatable engineering outcomes, providing a reliable interconnect foundation for demanding applications.